Well, I have quickly verified my account. You can see here there is a mail from GitHub to verify the account. I went there and verified the account. This is not my account. This is my another account, what I was using for another purpose, my own purpose. Now this is my account, Saturn Rings. Now let's sign in and see what it tells. Alright, your account email has been verified. So this is what it told you. Now the first thing what you will do is like you have to create a repository. So go ahead and click on this. Now it will ask what will be the name of your repository. So I will mention it will be like Techstar. Alright, and you can mention that's it. The name of the repository will be Techstar, and description you don't need to actually put anything. So the type of repository will be public. If you choose private repository for your safety and securing your code, there is some amount of I think $7 to $8 per month for that, but we are not using this. We are using just public. And the next step is to skip the step you are importing. So if you are importing any existing repository, then you have to skip this thing. Now how you wanna initialize your repository? So I can just write initialize this repository with a readme file, and now click to create a repository. So guys, your repository has been created, and we have one file that is readme.file. It will be nothing. You just need to edit something here. Yeah, as I told you, there won't do anything. So this is what has been. You can just add anything and all. For adding, you just need to press this file and you can add. Now since our repository is created, the next step will be to upload the code here in our repository. So normally what happens, we create your sys administrator or your middleware administrator will create a repository for you. The repository will be created in the local machine of your developer. So developer who are working for Java or any other code language, they'll be making all changes in their local system, and once their changes are made, they will upload through Git. They will push all those changes to Git, and it will come to your repository here. For this demonstration, I am using simple Java program, that is coding, and that I have already created. And creation and writing all those Java code is not part of this course study. This is beyond the expectation. So I'm not expecting you guys to be a developer. You don't need to be a Java developer to learn all those things. So but I will tell you how we can edit all those files and what is a file structure. So I will be just importing the files, because there will be certain type of structures, directory structures, in which your file will be there. For the organization file, it won't be like normal file. So what you have to do is you have to then this has been done, then you have to upload your file. All right, now suppose if you put all these files here in this structure in master repository. So master repository is like your master branch. Similarly, you can create n number of branches for your safety, and you can assign roles like this person should build and code and they deposit their code in this repository, and the other person should do in this repository. So and once your all local code changes has been done, it will send the pull request to, you see here pull request is there. So once you just pushing all those things, a pull request will come to GitHub, and once the admin accepts this, all code will be merged to your GitHub. Now, so if they are code, you can just download code here and it will be downloaded to your local system, and you can just go ahead and modify changes if you want. Now what I have to do, I have to add files here, and so go to add files. It is asking create a new file. I won't be creating new files, I will be just uploading files here. So go to upload files, and in this section you find this thing here, drag files here to add them to your repository, or choose your files. So what I will be doing, I'll be just grabbing all my files, and I will be dragging it here. I think it is here, my master file is here. This is my master file. Now these are my files. So let me minimize this setting guy here, and do a control A and drag and drop it here. So this will get uploaded. See, this is getting uploaded. It's almost done. So guys, your file has been uploaded successfully in your repository. If you want to do commit something, you can do commit because it's an ideal way of doing. Now before doing this, I will show you what was there in my file and what all we can do. So we just quickly go here, expand this. So this is what your normal structure of your file will be there. Don't worry about these extensions and all and these structures. It will be met when you build a code through Maven, which we'll be doing and which will be saying how these structures are created. So ignore for now. I'll be showing you where is my code. So you have to go to web app, then we have to go source, then inside main, and then we have web app because web application is there. You finding web.inf and then index.jsp. Whatever I have mentioned here is mentioned in the index.jsp. So what I will do, I will just open this guy with notepad, and this is what I have written. If you want to add more lines, you can just add. This is HTML contents, but it is enclosed in your Java thing. Congrats, guys. Alright, so these things won't be there because I have already copy pasted this thing. But if you want to do all those sort of things here, then we can change there also. That I can show you that. So this is what normally likes. If you do Control S, your file will be saved to your repository. Now what I will do, I will just go here and you just need to mention the commit section what you did. So you can just mention this is just my commits. But when you are commenting, it won't be showing your name or who has changed it or edited it. So in this situation, what your organization will be doing, you will be setting up a GitLab on the Windows machine of your developer who is working. So you can just go to Google and download GitHub for Windows, and once you download it, what the developer will do, they will commit their changes in local machine and they will push it. So if time permits, we'll be seeing that too. And if we have requirements, for now, I will just be committing the changes. So this changes has been done. It is now processing your file, and within few minutes, this will be complete. So guys, this was the basic thing what we have done. It was very important to establish a version control system that is distributed one, and to upgrade any system or infrastructure, we need to have a basic code. I'm not a very good developer because my skills are sysadmin and on AWS and DevOps. So you don't need to be writing all those complex codes, but you should be understanding the structure and all those things. Now, if you want to edit something here, again the same thing will be here only. Go to web app and go to this guy and go to the index.jsp. You will find an editor here, and to edit this thing here, what you can do, you have to press this, edit this file, and then you can mention it here. You can just mention it here. Then congrats, you have successfully developed and deployed Java project. You can mention here. So this is what your repository looks like. You can just add another line here, anything like cheers. This is up to you how you modify the things. Don't worry about the structures and all, it's all fine. And close this thing, and you have to write some message here what you did. I did index.jsp changes, I updated index file, and you're done. So this is how we have created our infrastructure for writing and developing code. Now the next thing what we have to do is we have to set up a tool which will be building our project what we have built it here now. So it will be compiling our project, making an artifact, and setting up all the plugins and all. So we'll be seeing how we are installing and configuring Jenkins. So on top of Jenkins, we should be having Java and Maven, all those things which is required to build a Java project.